Now let's discuss about the Shanghai. Shanghai Cooperation, which is the Shanghai Cooperation Regional Organization, and its headquarter in the Beijing, China. Official language is the Chinese and Russian, and its timeline started from the 1991 collapse of the Soviet Union. In 1996, the Shanghai Five, in which China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tajikistan was the first countries who built the BRICS SCO, and in 2001, Uzbekistan established joined. In 2017, India and Pakistan become the full member. In 2023, Iran joins, and in 2024, Brussels joins. If we see the organizational structure, it is Council of Head is the business of overviewing the whole major decision making bodies. Council of the Head of the government, it deals with the economic projects like, and Council of Foreign Minister deals with the foreign policies, in which after that it divided into two parts. One is the SCO Secretarial, which is in Beijing, and it is work for the administrative purpose, in which the concise based decision, mutual trust, and equality and non-interference. It is also known as the Shanghai Spirit. And RATS, which is Red Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, in which it was working against the three evils which are explained here. Objectives, in which it works against the counter-terrorism, counter-extremism, counter-separatism. And economic cooperation, if we talk about the economic cooperation, trade and investment, connectivity providing, and the transport coordination, energy security, regional development, culture, people to people connect. Globally, it was showing the 40% of the population and 25% of the GDP. It shows the larger regional organization by the population. If we see the impacts of opportunities, counter-terrorism, Central Asia connectivity, energy security, regional stability, and the Afghanistan platform, engaging with the China and Russia, multipolar world order. India's position is here, in which it is the mostly affected due to the terrorist funding, due to the position in which the most important place, the golden crystal. Here is the golden crystal, in which the area included the Pakistan, China, and Iran. And here is the golden golden triangle, which is the countries included the Myanmar and Thailand. This particular area produces the opium and human trafficking, and this particular area was for the narcotics and human trafficking. So these are the major problems of India to in this opportunities. And in the Geo Earth Summit, recent SCO Summit, this is the main issue has been concerned in that cases. And approval of the 2035 approved new development approaches, in which focusing on the digital economy, connectivity, infrastructure, and increases the cooperation, energy, agriculture, discuss the regional issues like cyber security. And challenges are India-Pakistan war, India-China's and Russia-West conflict, and difference of opinion, difference connectivity. These are the challenges.